Did I hear correctly, Miss Piggy? Did you remember that we use our left hand at the top of the recorder to close the top holes and the right hand at the bottom of the recorder to close the bottom holes of the recorder? Well done.
But how do I remember which hand is the left hand?
I can share a trick that I learned, because sometimes we do get confused about which is our right hand and which is our left hand. This is how it works. When we don't know which is the left hand or the right hand, what I suggest you do is close your fingers, lower your thumbs so that the thumbs are in the middle between the two hands, and then have a look at the index finger, your pointer, and your thumb. Which hand has the shape of the letter L facing in the correct direction? This one, right? It makes an L looking in the right direction. This L is the wrong way around. So now I know this is my left hand.